Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore the Japanese concept of Ikigai, delving into our sense of purpose and meaning. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable seat. As your spine lengthens, gently close your eyes. Let your shoulders soften and rest your hands in your lap. Now, take a few deep breaths. Use this time to arrive to your practice. With each inhale and exhale, call your attention to this very moment. And now, let your breath soften. As you effortlessly breathe in and out, notice the natural ebb and flow. Watch how your body naturally expands and contracts on the gentle wave of your breath. As soon as you catch yourself lost in thought, lovingly redirect your attention back to your inhales and exhales. Be gentle and kind with yourself, bringing your mind and heart back to the present moment. And see if you can notice the pure pleasure and wonder of your breath. Acknowledge how the seemingly mundane act of breathing holds power and beauty. The inhales filling you up, inspiring you, bolstering you. The exhales helping you soften and surrender, encouraging you to let go. Now, let your attention widen. Civil rights leader Howard W. Thurman once said, "Don't ask what the world needs. Ask what makes you come alive and go do it, because what the world needs is people who have come alive." As children, every one of us was budding with curiosity. We had an innate drive to explore, learn, and play. With adulthood and the weight of responsibility, a lot of us have lost this sense of wonder. But if we can find our Ikigai, we can reconnect with a sense of meaning and purpose, feeling alive once more. Ikigai is a Japanese concept that's often translated as a reason for being. It's a connection to what gets us out of bed each morning and makes our lives worth living. Ikigai happens when four significant aspects of our lives intersect. It is found when our passion, mission, vocation, and profession converge. And when we discover this sweet spot, it is said to result in a long and happy life. So get curious about your reason for being. Though it might seem like a tall order, just start by figuring out what you love and what you're naturally good at. And from there, find one small action you can take to move you closer to your Ikigai. Now, gently return to your breath. Bring small movements back into your body. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Bring some inspiration into the rest of your day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.